We also can include lists in our HTML pages. So we basically do have two kinds of lists. If you have been through our Microsoft Word course or anything like that, you're familiar with them. We have numbered lists, which in HTML are OL and LI. And we have bullet lists, which in HTML are UL and LI. So as you see, I can use the OL to introduce that I am starting and finishing a list, a numbered list, and LIs are the items to my list. So I can say item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and as you see, I will have a numbered list included in my web page. I also can use a bullet one, so I can pretty much copy all these by Control C and Control V here. So as you see, I'm having the bullet list of mine placed like this, as easy as that. So these are lists in HTML. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.